We are transforming this 65 Caprice. We're adding a 4th order blow through sub box, amp rack, center console, and building out the entire trunk. Here's how we put it all together.
All right, so this is the paneling that we have set up in the trunk. These are all gonna be trim edges as well as a view window for the sub box in the 4th order. I'll just gotta do a lot of filling and finalize everything to where it's gonna be. Here we have the center console. This is gonna house our head unit. It's gonna have 2 cup holders. It's gonna have the knob for the subs and 2 light switches, interior lighting and then the lights inside the box. All right, so this is our package tray. Right now, what I'm getting ready to do is cut out the actual shaping. Right now what I'm about to do is put in some body lines just to kind of match what the car has on the interior. To do that, I'm going to use my little handheld Milwaukee router and a specialized bit for it. Before you see the interior trunk pieces for the 65 Caprice that we've been working on. Right here we have the 4th order blow through for the ski slot. This is the top piece so you don't see any gaps across the top. So right here across the middle is going to be an acrylic view window. It'll allow you to see into the sub, see the real custom paint job, all the nice vinyl inside the box. We'll have a nice ambient lighting that's amber. Right here we have the amp rack, so we can mount our JL amps on there. This is the panel that magnets to the top of it to finalize it out so you don't see any of the mounting points or anything like that. Here on the sides, we have our 2-piece panels for the trunk, so you can access both batteries on the passenger and the driver's side. This goes in first, then this cool little piece right here just kind of magnets on and it hides everything so you can get easy access to the trunk batteries without having to worry about pulling the whole trunk apart.
Our 65 Caprice is finally finished. You gotta see this trunk. Let's check it out. You have the 4th order blow-through sub box with both of the JL Audio 12-inch subs pointed inside of the cockpit. All of that sound ported right inside the cabin. We also loaded the rear decklid with 4 8-inch subs, so this thing is pushing some serious bass. You have the trunk floor with usable trunk space. You can still store all of your stuff if you want to in here. The amp rack sitting really pretty right behind it, and of course the 2 sides. So if you need to service the batteries, you can just pull those side panels off and access those very easily. And of course, you can't forget about the center console that holds the Kenwood head unit, supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and looks right at home in the cabin. I'm really impressed with the way this car came together. The team did a great job. And we got a ton more audio builds like this on our channel right now. Click down below, subscribe, hit the bell icon. You gotta get notified when we drop videos like this. We'll see you guys next week.